Hello and welcome to the Current India. Today's video, we are going to show you how to make your electricity payment to SBPDCL or South Bihar Power Distribution Company Limited through the instant payment or quick payment method. So the benefit of using this method is that you do not need to log into the portal. You don't need a login ID and password. However, you do require your CA number or consumer account number. So we will show you the step-by-step process of how to go about it. The first step is accessing the website of SBPDCL. So as you can see, sbpdcl.co.in, that is the official portal of the South Bihar Power Distribution Company Limited. Once you type in this is the website that is going to appear in front of you. You will find a home page appearing in front of you like this. So if you see, the normal login option, the consumer login option is here. However, since we are going to see how to make instant payment or quick payment, we don't need the login ID and password. What you need to choose is on this left hand side, this particular menu item by title Instant Payment. When you click on that option, you will get these three options here. You can view and pay your bill, you can print your receipt, and you can print your receipt by payment gateway or vendor. To make instant payment of your bill, we are going to click the option View and Pay Bill. When you click that option, this page appears in front of you. Quick bill payment, and the only portion that we have to look at is this side. You can ignore the details required on the other side. You just have to look at this, and you need to enter your CA number here as it is given here in Hindi. If you are doubtful about where you can find your CA number, there is a very helpful link down here. If you click on this, they have given pictures indicating where you can find your CA number. Let's just click that and see. So when we click that, see what is a CA number, and you have two examples here where they have clearly indicated where you can find your CA number. So once you have found your CA number, we go back to the same page and we enter our CA number here, and then we hit submit. Once you enter your CA number and you hit submit, you will see the details coming. Let's go ahead and enter a CA number. Enter our consumer number and clicked on the submit button. As you can see, all these details will be displayed, starting with the consumer number that you can re-verify. You can check the consumer name, the billing month, the due date, when is your current bill due. You will also see details about what is the net amount payable before the due date if you make the payment before the due date, that is shown here. What is the amount that is payable if you pass the due date but still pay within 10 days after the due date. And then it will also show the amount that will be payable by you if you cross the due date by more than 10 days. So obviously there would be a penalty amount added on if you cross the due date, right? You can also verify what was the previous amount of electricity bill that you paid in the last billing cycle. What was your last payment date? Now, once you have checked these, you can see here, if you want to view the bill, you can actually click the option View Bill. Then we come down. The total amount, this is a pre-populated field. You will not have to enter this. Depending on the date that you are making the payment, the system will pull out this amount automatically. Email ID, this is an optional column. However, the benefit of filling in your email ID here is that once you have made the payment, and if your email ID is provided here, you will get a copy of the receipt in a PDF format through your email ID. So it is recommended to give an email ID. However, it is optional. It's your personal choice. If you do not wish to give your email ID, you can avoid it. Mobile number, on the other hand, is a mandatory column. You have to give your mobile number. So what you do is you give your 10-digit mobile number here. After that, you choose your preferred payment gateway. You can either choose Bill Desk or the HDFC payment gateway that is enabled for SBPDCL. The HDFC payment gateway that is enabled for SBPDCL, or you can choose PayU. Once you choose either of these three and you have entered your mobile number, you have to click on confirm payment. So once you click on confirm payment, as you can see, you will be asked to reconfirm your payment details. You would find your primary CA number. If you have entered the email ID, it would be displayed here. Since we have not mentioned an email ID there, this portion is blank. You can re-verify the mobile number, the payment time and date, total amount in both numerals and numbers. And now, after we have verified this, you can click on the Pay Now option. When you click on the Pay Now option, depending on the payment gateway that you have opted for here, you will find the payment portal opening up, and then you can make the payment accordingly. Once you have completed the payment there, you will get a automatic receipt that will be displayed in your portal, as well as you will get a copy of confirmation by SMS to your mobile number, and if you have provided an email ID, you can get a copy there as well. The other option you can always do to double check in case you have not received any of these, you have not received a message on your phone or you have not received a copy on your email ID, you can go back to the same page that we once you click the Pay Now button, all the options, your payment options based on the payment gateway that you have selected will be displayed in front of you. You can go ahead, enter your relevant details and complete the payment process there. Once you have completed the payment, you will get notifications both on your mobile number and if you have entered your email ID in your email ID as well. You can also go back and the first steps what we have done, right, because we clicked on the option view and pay bill, you could always go back and check if the payment status is correctly reflected there. In case the details have not come to your mobile number, the payment confirmation to your mobile number or email ID, and you do not see a change in the status, please do wait for at least 24 hours because sometimes the system may take a little bit of time to reflect and update the payment status. 4-5 simple steps to complete your SBPDCL electricity bill through the Insta payment option or quick pay option. We hope this video has been useful for you. If you want a direct link to the quick pay page, we have given a step-by-step instruction in the description below. You will also find a link to directly access the quick pay page rather than going to the home page of the SBPDCL website. You can check that out. For more FAQs, if you have more queries in terms of bill payments related to SBPDCL, you will find a very useful article on the bill payments for the South Bihar Power Development Corporation Limited. We have also given a link to the detailed article with a lot of useful FAQs there. Please take out your time to check that as well. Thank you so much.